we have PT Cruiser 2006 year, and it was no start. Firstly it starts but dies, and no cranking at all, and it was skim module fault, this one. I searched in Google and there's no information about its eeprom. That's why I decided to buy another one from the used one, and here we have about 3 millimeters long eeprom. I think not long, short eeprom. Here it is. It was here. It was here, in this place. Here. And it was, I don't know, it will be not visible, but it was L16W XA, and I desoldered it in used one, and car starts and run. So if you have problem with skim, you can buy used one and just desolder it from here to another one, and that's it. Thanks for watching.